For most of us, the digital economy is a huge mystery in which we participate as customers or suppliers, but neither understand how fully it works and what it might mean for you. The Digital Economy Handbook by eBright seeks to reveal some answers to these puzzles. Through a detailed discussion of the history and trends of data transformation, new and upcoming digital economy business model configurations, and legal, tax, and transfer pricing considerations, the book takes you through the contemporary digital economy and helps you understand its difficulties and potential. Since digital transformation could be quite technical, the handbook uses real-world examples and case studies like Apple, Amazon, and Google to make the concepts easier to understand. Digital disruption may affect us more than we think. For example, have you ever thought about what a visit to the doctor may be like in a couple of years? With the amount of data that people create through their use of their phone or smartwatch, a company like Apple could become your new doctor. Traditionally, you would visit the doctor and get a diagnosis. But what if Apple already does the diagnosis before you are aware of any symptoms? Within an efficiently running data infrastructure backing up the new model, you could receive the appropriate drugs within a day without even having to leave the comfort of your home. Such a business model could radically change the healthcare industry. Even though it looks utopian in nature, it may not be far from reality in a couple of years. Another example is the banking industry. Current banks are challenged by either fintech companies offering a significant cheaper backbone on specific services or new players with a banking license like Amazon. Companies like Adyen and blockchain-based solutions will be the future of banking. The future of banking is illustrated by China's Alipay and WeChat Pay, which offer an embedded solution for the customer's banking needs. So, it seems like the world is changing. Nowadays, higher and higher return on investments and more profitable projects are needed in order to keep the board members happy. However, the data disruption is calling for a new metrics model, return on data. This requires a whole new way of thinking, not only for board members, but for the society as a whole. Businesses that flourish now may become dinosaurs in a few years if they don't adapt quickly enough to the new economy. Similarly, the job you have now may also become obsolete in a few years. The world may be moving faster than we think. This book helps you to keep up. The final part of the book deals with the extremely thorny questions on the taxation of the Internet. It explains the international tax framework, including the tax treaty principles, particularly the application of the permanent establishment concept. One of the most difficult issues concerning international taxation and the Internet is the application of transfer pricing principles, and this is discussed extensively in this part of the book. Finally, the book ends with some broader discussion of legal and policy considerations relating to the digital economy. So, do you want to understand data transformation and be ahead of the curve when it comes to future developments in this area? Click below to go to the bookstore of the eBright website and order it now. Also visit the eBright website to see how our e-learning offerings, including many of the topics discussed in the Digital Economy Handbook. Check out our other books as well, covering many topics such as tax, data transformation, value chain analysis, and valuations. Thanks for watching.